Hey everybody! So today's video is being done in collaboration with Beebeecraft.com. And in case you didn't know, Beebeecraft is a crafting company. They have all kinds of jewelry findings. They have a very good variety of silicone molds, and they have other crafting supplies as well. So please definitely go check them out. I have a discount code for you, which is Allison10, and I will link that below, as well as their main website address and all of the products that I will be unboxing today. Beebeecraft has a YouTube program where they will send you products for doing videos for them. Basically, you just need to have over 100 subscribers and engagement with your subscribers on your channel. So if you're interested in that, then I'm going to put a link down below so you can check that out, so you can apply to be in their program. So they can send you free products and you do videos for them. Definitely a win-win for everybody. So let me see what we got here. I'm going to open this. This is very well wrapped. Look at this. This is great. Okay. All of their products that I've gotten in the past have been very well made. So I'm very happy with them, and I'm happy to be participating in this program. So the first thing I have here, these are Christmas tree molds. Yeah, look at that. You can see the details in there. It looks really nice. It's gonna be nice. I think I might want to put it in like a cup or something when I pour it, just to make sure it doesn't fall over. But I think this is gonna be wonderful, and I can't wait to use it. The Christmas tree molds are currently $11.99 on their website at the time that I'm filming this video. So the next thing I'm gonna be showing you these are Bookmark silicone molds, and these are currently $2.37 on the website. If you look at that, the details are great. So I'm looking forward to using these as well. I have Silkscreens. So these, the Silkscreens are currently $4.85 on their website. It says there's 2 pieces, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the packaging here. But this is for Christmas, so you see like all the snowman, and you got Santa. Oh, sorry about the shake. You got Santa, you got trees. So probably be good for possibly a piece of wall art. So it's 2 of the same silk screens, and these are adhesive, so they will stick to whatever you're putting it on. Silk screens are currently $4.85. Next thing I have, these are beads. So these are 10 styles of Gemstone chip beads, undrilled. And look at all that. Wow. And if you use my discount, that would be really a great deal. So we got all different colors. I mean, so you get 20 little containers with different color gemstone beads, which it's going to be great for using in resin, I think, so as an embellishment. So that's that. The last thing I ordered is this tray mold. So this looks very nice. It's a good size. You see the size of my hands compared to it. This one is about 11.5 inches across. So that's pretty good. Good size. And again, you get 2 of them, so can't go wrong. I mean, this one, the tray mold, is currently on sale for $11.49 for 2 molds, which is a huge mold. It's perfect. So we have the 2 Christmas tree molds that are currently $11.99 on the website. You get the 2 Bookmark molds. That is currently $2.37, and you get 2. Silkscreen is currently $4.85, and you also get 2. And the beads, these are currently $5.80, and you're getting 20 of these little containers with beads in them, which I think is just phenomenal. And then you have the Christmas trays, which those are currently $11.49, and you're getting 2 of those. So the prices, you can't beat them. It's wonderful, and the quality is good. So I recommend checking them out. I have the link down below. And if you're interested in making videos for them and you have over 100 subscribers, then please check out the link below. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you have a great day, and I look forward to coming back and creating art with these products.